Equality kutumuli yamasa. Tubu.
Na sa kwa adwuma na wapon na obeba na wife and I say your girlfriend onu obi da wanka sampa so e de be na abaye Yo, what's up? Yes, DMK the mark no hina boda mo hina na dwa say ohina na dwe ne ya na dwa tete apansam what you say this abefa force attitude here. So when you come video bi so say the bia no na video no say obi na one na fofo ba fie like what you say omanya say the wife and I say the girlfriend on obi e wo ho a like okwa adwuma na nipa so ayere abe show
Yankoi. Equality kutumuli yamasa.
no abobodi into crew rough nti we dey omo tete no kokoshe me go video no me ba na be ka ho ase
Equality kutumuli yamasa. Tubu. It's that sound almost.
what you talking about you
Sorry.
it is not there
Hey, I'm sorry.
no not there me be shoot you me post you no
Just a boy, I don't come in last hour.
it's in again you know me ba go you man me how did it go I come up you alone
I'm sorry. It's not like that. It's not like that, though. It's not in my body.
Yeah. Why? Yeah, don't walk more. Yeah, don't walk
cut it
Mammy, yeah, don't walk me don't walk
it is not out here me video na go say bema na ni abre o video ni ye I be say hwa wate asem na che ye na wateta na ne waba beto so like was surprise ni ada say be say na aya de bia me kan say I don't think say ade bi ehu no social media and I was say ye gidi especially the videos no video de obi abetimi aye bi o na mu akwa be fa so be trendy we have video ni ahwe kakra ma ahwe okay ba sa be trendy na obi afon so wakoto so no eno ni issue no eti no etimi ba se dipo bebre e find ways na omo dia trendy. Let's look at something like obi eye movie ewo obi atrim se movie no moye na scene bia ba na yesi obi abeche ne jere ana se ne girl so ni obi da this portion no obi post here enya dia be trend akoba bia because we ni patrim se eye movie but se e ba se enye movie ana obi be pie etimatete abeche ne jere ana ne girlfriend ana se ne boyfriend ana se whatever so wo chiti no ye video these are the videos obi apese wo hwe nipa adwene dey jim no so me bisa say video ya wo hwe ye what do you think say ade bia asi natural and also obi na share that plan say I want to trend too etino yenye say eti wankata hwe video no ye na comment na ye na ye share ya adwene hwe ade me church obi bia say na first na hwe the market channel na obi say oba subscribe to the channel na my review so be me abia so am the video bi to announce where when you be hwe onyame hwe obi bia